So it is a rainy, wet day, and we have got kind of a job ahead of us. The flight cage is very, very muddy, and we've got guests coming, so we are going to go and rehay the flight cage, and I need to change out both waters in the pond.
It was pouring this morning, and it was raining here and there, and I was like, I didn't know when it was to stop.
Alright, we're going to get these ponds emptied, and they are full because it rained really, really hard. This water is terribly dirty, so we're going to clean this out. Okay, that's finishing up, and Now I need to start cleaning this one over here. See, the water's all out of it, but now I got to clean all the muck out and then fill it back up. Okay, so this is now filled up and clean. I'm going to start putting hay down. Okay, we are done rehaying the flight cage. We rehay this anytime it gets really muddy, or if the hay's been down for a long time, then we'll redo it, but it needed it. A really big storm last night. So the reason we don't go all the way up to the edge of the pond with the hay is because we've noticed that Harry and Sally like to drag it into the pond. So that's why we leave that gap. But that should dry out within just a day or two. That'll be nice and dry in there again.